My fellow enjoyment ministers, you have important guests coming over and you want to wow them with your cooking skills. What are you making? For me, it's always going to be fried rice because my recipe is a banger and never disappoints. Let me show you how. You're going to start by making your starter pack. Starter pack is simply onions, garlic, and pepper. For this recipe, you need butter. I know it's expensive, but it makes all the difference. Fry your starter pack and your washed and drained rice. Season with sazon. Guys, if you're not seasoning with sazon, what are you even using now? Add a little bit of curry so that it doesn't overpower your rice, okay? Add your stock water and adjust for seasoning. Cook on low heat and your rice comes out looking grainy just like this. Now we're going to start up with our vegetables. We're going to go in with our butter starter pack. Use any protein of your choice. I'm using shrimps because that's what I have. And guys, for your vegetables, cut them into little chunks, bite sizes. Don't cut it like food lumps or like agberos, okay? It makes it, it affects the outlook of your fried rice. Now add in your green peas, your sweet corn, whatever veggies you are using. Stir fry this and you're going to add this into your pot of rice. Now guys, if this isn't goodness in one pot, I don't even know what is, okay? Stir this nicely and you're going to go in with your spring onions. Guys, this recipe had everyone licking their plates. I hope you try it and give me your feedback. Bye.